Hi, welcome to the channel. If you're new here and if you're not, welcome back. It's good to see you. I'm glad you're here. I am at my boyfriend's parents' house and I'm going through the fridge, gathering all the leftovers from Thanksgiving, and I am about to make a yummy meal, and I hope you stick around to find out what I make. It's gonna be good. It's going to be good. Okay.
She ran away. She said, I can't take no more.
And exhale. Not that bad yet. Maybe by next year.
Seems like that could be enough potato.
That's probably not potato though.
Every now and then.
You want to take that one potato and put it in the back in the bag?
Sure.
You go boss.
I was talking to you, but your mother was the only one that answered it.
She has a boss, but she asked.
She's very bossy.
She didn't say, take the
She's
potato.
bossy. She's so bossy.
Why are you like that?
Like what? You
So
being bossy?
mouthy.
I don't know why you're bossy.
You're very mouthy, you're not.
We're out of avocado oil.
Oh, that's good.
Honey, just chop. Just get chopping.
Why are you so cute?
So this is
Okay, I'm
Can
coming.
I put your name on here so you know?
So cute.
Wait, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 puzzles.
Puzzle pieces.
Yeah, puzzle pieces.
That's a very cute puzzle you've made there.
And it's for you.
That's so sweet.
What's wrong with Dirt? Little Dirt? What are you doing, Donna? What the heck are you doing?
Are you? Okay.
You did excellent work. Here.
Does it see yourself?
Here.
You can watch our dinner. No, you can come over and eat. I told you that. Y'all can come over.
She doesn't love us.
This old nurse will be right back to help. Good homemade stew.
So much.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so you just want me to throw it in.
Dirty mushroom.
Little dirt. Good for your health. It's good for your immune system.
Cook that for a while and
They
then put
feel
it
like
turkey
kids
in.
should go fly.
Okay.
You're doing such a good
Yeah, I'm
job.
just stirring. That's what I'm doing. I'm stirring.
He's mixing the cornstarch. 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. And he's doing a lovely job, aren't you, babe?
So lovely. There. There's your slurry.
Slurry.
Mm-hmm.
So.